yesterday I was upload a video in a public group, and that group name is Naranganj College Students. And most of the members of that group are students of Naranganj University College. And they are maybe a group of people are former students at that college, and some students are currently studying here. And yesterday when an admin approved my video, I was feeling very nervous at that time, because I actually thinking that how people would receive my video or what they will say after watching my video. But after end of everything goes fine, because a lot of people watch my videos, a lot of people comment on my video, they appreciate me. And so that's why I am very grateful to you guys for your kind love, support, and criticisms as well. Okay, I was forget that to say that a lot of people criticize me as well. They say I'm just speaking like a paragraph, but I don't think about this, because it is their own opinion. So that's why they can think this, because they have the ability to express their opinion about my video. Okay, so right now I am here at Pass Number Ghat. I think I don't need to say a lot of things about this place, because you may know this place very well, because it's not far away from Naranganj College. And if you are students of Naranganj College, then you may come to this place regularly. So that's why it's very familiar place to you. Okay, let's talk about the reason why I am here. I'm here in order to express my opinion to your comments here. Okay, now I will start to read comments, and I will share my opinion about your comments on my video. Okay, before going there, let me just start introducing myself. My name is Porosh. For all those who know me, for them a big hi. I think you should know me, because I'm doing such a good things. But don't be problem if you don't know me. I'm introducing myself. As I mentioned, my name is Porosh. Currently, I'm studying at Naranganj University College as a student of inter first year. I tell this several times in my previous videos, so a lot of people know me. That's why. Okay, enough awful from me. Okay, just one thing to tell you guys. Maybe the video quality isn't well, because I don't have any expensive phone. Okay, but the thing that I have on myself is talent. Maybe you have expensive phone, but you don't have the talent. But I have. But we sometimes feel the absence of a thing. Okay, so it's normal. Okay, let's come to the point, and here I go. Okay, so in my last video I got 450 reactions. It's huge, and 115 comments and 4 share as well. Okay, so right now, as you can see, okay, let me just start to reading comment. The first comment that I'm seeing right now, it comes from Ahmed Riyad, and he commented that eto brilliant student Naranganj College ki karo. Well, brother, thanks for your nice comment and words. I think I'm coming here and I'm admit myself into Naranganj University College in order to study. Okay, I came here to study well, and I want to make a good result, so that's why maybe I admit myself into Naranganj College. Brother, hope you understand. Well, the next one comes from Nabil Chowdhury, and he said that IELTS ekhon Naranganj College. Well, brother, how you think that Naranganj College is an educational institute? You can study here, or if you study here good, then you can make a good result in your HSC or in your degree. But I think if you want to do your IELTS, then you can admit yourself in a IELTS coaching. Especially, you will find so many coaching in Naranganj. I think at College Road. Few days earlier when I was coming from my coaching, after finishing my coaching, then I saw advertisement about IELTS. Okay, so do you know about IELTS? IELTS is the International English Language Learning Testing System. I hope your IELTS is very important. If you want to admit yourself for higher education in abroad, then IELTS is very important. Okay, so you have to do your IELTS first if you want to go abroad. Okay, so yeah, the next one comes from Abdul Wahid, and he asked me that SSC the point koto chilo. Okay, so yes, brother, I got 4.61 in my SSC exam. It wasn't a very good result for me, but nothing to do, it's gone, so that's why I can't do anything for this. But okay, let's see what I will do in my HSC. Okay, so the next one is very impressive. It comes from Bayojit Sarkar, and he said that I really appreciate his mind-blowing English presentation, that how bravely he described everything. I hardly seen our college students who speak English at the point of our college. Well, brother, thanks a lot of encourageable words you're using here, and I'm really grateful for this. and yeah, you appreciate my video, so that's why I'm very grateful. We feel very shy. Even I feeling very shy right now because it's a public place and I'm making videos, so many people roaming here as well. But okay, if you continuously feeling shy, then you can't able to do anything. Okay, so if you want to be different, if you want to make a big difference from your level people, then you have to overcome your shyness, then have to be work hard. Okay, so thanks Bajit brother for your encourageable words. Okay, so the next one is from Sajidur Rahman Nehal, and he said that great attempt, brother. Wishing you a fabulous future. Well, thank you, brother, for your wish about me. I'm really grateful for your comment, and I really, really appreciate your words. Okay, the next one is Anit Shafin, and he said that paragraphটা মুখস্থ করতে কতদিন লাগলো? Well, brother, it's your own opinion. If you think that I'm speaking like a paragraph, then it's your own opinion. You can say this because you have the ability to express your opinion. But if you want to reply, if you want to get reply from me, I will say I speak fast. That's maybe my problem. If I speak slowly, then it will be okay. But I don't like to speak slowly. I think English is a first language, so I have to be speak in fast. Okay, so so a lot of comment comes, and the next one is very funny. It's from Umme Hani Shifa. Okay, he said that ছেলেটার জায়গা অক্সফোর্ডে ভুলে নারায়ণগঞ্জে চান্স পাওয়া গেছে হয়তো. Well, brother, it's completely false. I after finish my ACC, then I apply. First of all, I apply Tolaram College, but I don't get chance to admit myself in Tolaram College. So that's why then I try to admit myself Kodam Rasul College, but my parents don't want to admit myself because Kodam Rasul is out. Beside that river Shitolok and the opposite side of river Shitolok. So that's why they told me, son, don't need to admit yourself into Kodam Rasul College, you admit yourself Narayanganj College. That's why I admit myself into Narayanganj College. Okay, so the next one comes from Maruf Ahmed Siam, and he said that bhai eto bhalo eto brilliant পোলাপাইন আমগো কলেজে কি করো? Well, brother, I'm as I mentioned that I'm admitting myself into Narayanganj College in order to study. There is no other reason. Okay, so next one is from MS Sijuka. He said that এত ভালো ইংলিশ পারেন তো এই বেসরকারি কলেজে কেমনে কি? Well, as I mentioned this questions answer before. Okay, so I don't need to say anything about it. And next one is from Rohim, and he said to me, he commented on this post that take love. Yes, brother, take love too from my side. Thanks for your lovely comment. And yeah, a lot of people think that I'm speaking like a paragraph, but I don't think why they think like this. I then before that video I just got 2 or 3 lines from Nangos College University website, because I didn't know anything about college. I just know it's located near the Shitoloka River, but I don't know more than that. So that's why I get some lines from website. Okay, so the next one is very emotional. It's from Shamima Akhtar Preeti, and he said that এই কলেজে কত স্মৃতি জড়িয়ে আছে এই কলেজে. Well, when you study in an institute for a long time, like 2 years, then you have to be a lot of memories at that college. Okay, so yeah, right now, as you can see, if I give my example, I am studying at Narayanganj College, but I read Vidyaniketan High School. It's my own school from where I passed my ACC. So yeah, I also have a lot of memory at that school life. So yeah, you have to be a lot of memories as well. Okay, so yeah, it's normal to get memories. Okay, so yeah, the next one is from Rafi, and he's also encouraged me very much, and he said a great attempt, bro. Try to improve your language skills. It sounds like you are telling my college paragraph you should go for advanced in English. Well, brother, I'm trying to be a fluent speaker, but it's not easy. Okay, so fluently isn't come overnight. I have to be work hard for this. Otherwise, I can't be able to become a fluent speaker. I think I'm working hard, but as you know that my year final exam is knocking at the door, so that's why I'm not able right now to spend more time in my English, learning English period. So that's why I think after finish my exam, then I will try to spend more time in my learning English. Okay, so the next one is it comes from Khairul Islam Tasil, He said that he commented that keep it on. Okay, yes, brother, I need to keep it on. Talent without consistency is like a river without water. Okay, I have to be consistent. I have to be make video every day. If I make video every day, then I will be able to. My fluency will be built up, and I will improve a lot in future. Okay, so that's why it's very important to make video every day, and I will try to make video every day. Okay, so the next one is from MD Fazle Rabbi, and he said that Junior Shubhokamna. Yes, brother, thank you for your wish for about me, and I really appreciate your words. Okay, and the next one is from Sumaya Islam. এত brilliant students আবার নারায়ণগঞ্জ কলেজে বাহ well don't be surprising, I'm talented, I know this, but I don't express my talent before, but I'm start making video just maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and that's why, but still now I have got so many, a lot of things from people, they really appreciate my video, so that's why I'm very grateful. Okay, so I don't want to read more comment. I think a lot of people encourage me, a lot of people criticize me, but I think it's okay. If I continuously making video, then I will be, the people who criticize me, one day they will also, appreciate my video. I think that's why it's very important to do what I'm doing right now. Okay, so if I always take care about what people think about me, then I won't be able to, promote myself or, show my talent. Okay, so that's why it's very important to do my own work. Let them say, they will say, they will criticize me as well. So I think it's very important to do my own work. Okay, so yeah, that's all. I think I'm really grateful for your support, for your kind love, and for your criticisms as well. Thanks for watching. I don't want to make it more longer because I'm feeling very tired right now. It's very hot and humid. I'm sweating, as you can see, so it's very bad condition for me right now. Okay, I'm speaking maybe more than 10 minutes. Still now I'm speaking, so yeah, I need to take a break. So yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best, and keep up your support. I hope your support is my encouragement. Okay, so if you inspire me, then I will do so many good things. You just need one thing, is to support me. Okay, thanks for watching. All the best.